Hey guys, welcome to this TikTok guide, and here I'll detail how to allow camera access on TikTok. So if you're trying to post on TikTok, by going to your TikTok profile and then click on the plus icon to upload your video, and I discover that you see allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone on your iPhone, then this video is going to show you how you can easily fix this. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to allow camera access on TikTok, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on TikTok application if you're using iOS 17 or earlier. On iOS settings, scroll down and click on apps. Once you've selected apps, scroll down the page until you get to TikTok. So go ahead and click on TikTok. Now, once you selected TikTok, under TikTok, locate allow TikTok to have access to. Here, locate camera. If your camera is turned off, then go ahead and enable this. Once you enable this will turn on camera access on your TikTok application. Then, if you go back and then open the TikTok application just like this, then go to your profile page and click on the plus icon, or from the TikTok homepage, you click on the plus icon, then you should have access to the camera access on your iPhone. You can now go to the Photos app to upload your video. So that is basically how to turn on camera access on TikTok. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.